I'm Evan Melton. I'm in Dr. V's Tuesday lab for Chem 105A. And today we're going to be doing the Bunsen burner apparatus. So before you start, you want to make sure your entire station is clear. Nothing flammable is in sight, and any dangling things like your hair if you're a girl or guy, I guess, or like your sleeves, you want them all to be tucked away so that nothing can be caught on fire. And so in this setup, we're gonna have both rings, DI water that we're actually gonna be heating up, in a beaker that you wanna check for any cracks. So you know that you don't want any cracks in your beaker. Then you have the wire gauze, the actual Bunsen burner, the tube, the striker, and then for the last part, the beaker tongs. So you're gonna start. You want your ring to be, the bottom ring to be about 3 fingers above the Bunsen burner. So as you can see, that's about 3 fingers. So I'm gonna tighten it right there. And then you want the second ring, when you put the beaker, to be about 2/3 the height. So it's gonna be right about this height, about 2/3 up from what your beaker is. You place your beaker onto the wire gauze, and it's, as you can see, it's about 2/3 up. So then you want to connect the gas tube to the beaker with both valves closed. You want to connect it to obviously the gas line. You would turn on the gas just a little and open the gas valve just a little. Then use the striker. So we might need to open the air intake just a little, and then we'll adjust it. So it might take a couple times. And so we're gonna adjust it. This part takes time and is important. You want to adjust it so that you have as you can see right there, you have a blue flame with a blue inner cone. You get that? So then you want to slide it and make sure that the inner blue cone is just touching the wire gauze as there. So that's perfect. You want to wait for your solution to heat up enough. So we'll wait. And then after you've decided that you've heated it up enough, first you want to turn off the gas. Move the Bunsen burner away from the setup, and then you want to use your beaker tongs because, of course, the beaker is going to be heated up, so it's going to be hot. You don't want to touch it. So you're going to use your beaker tongs to carefully grab the solution. Carefully set your solution down and do not touch it because it's still hot. And that is how you do the Bunsen burner apparatus setup.